Are you suddenly facing a financial crunch and need fast cash? I get it, I've been there. Luckily, after countless research and trials, I found Klover, an app that provides small cash advances of up to $200 in exchange for the data you share with them. To get a cash advance from Klover, you need to have the app and 3 consistent direct deposits from your job. Once you qualify, you can borrow up to $200. There's no interest or late fees. It's like getting your paycheck early. In this video, we'll go through step by step how to secure a cash advance from Klover quickly and efficiently. Interested? Keep watching. What is Klover Cash Advance? Klover Cash Advance is a mobile app that allows users to bridge small income gaps by providing them with quick and convenient cash advances. The concept of Klover. Klover is a unique app that's like your safety net when you're navigating cash flow ups and downs. It ushers in an innovative way to get your hands on some quick cash without taking on high interest loans or dealing with overwhelming debt. Designed for those who find themselves living paycheck to paycheck, Klover offers short-term advances of up to $200 with 0 interest or fees attached. Money problems can spring up out of the blue, and this forward-thinking financial tool lends a hand when you need it most, no questions asked. How does Klover work? Klover works by providing small cash advances to users in exchange for their data. Users can bridge a small income gap with Klover Cash Advances and are comfortable with the app's data collection practices. The app offers advances based on users' bank account activity, surveys, receipts, and connected retail accounts. Klover Cash Advances. Klover Cash Advances are essentially small, no-interest loans designed to bridge the gap when you're running short on funds before your next paycheck arrives. Using their mobile app, available for both Android and iOS users, Klover provides an advance of up to $200 based on your bank account activity. You can freely use these funds without worrying about hidden fees or high interest rates commonly associated with other lending platforms. The best part is its consumer-friendly approach, which ensures that they don't overdraw users' accounts nor charge mandatory fees for their service. However, it's important to note that while there are no traditional costs involved, Klover requires access to certain personal data, including receipts, survey responses, and connected retail accounts. How to qualify for a Klover Cash Advance? To qualify for a Klover Cash Advance, you need to meet their eligibility requirements, which include being a U.S. citizen with a checking account and debit card, providing employment information, and allowing Klover access to your bank account activity and direct deposits. Requirements for a Klover Cash Advance. To get a Klover Cash Advance, you need to meet certain requirements. Here's what you'll need. Active checking account. You must have a checking account in good standing. This means that your account should be open and active. Minimum deposit. You'll need to make a minimum deposit of $250 into your checking account. This deposit shows that you have a regular income. Regular deposits. To qualify for a Klover Cash Advance, you should have regular weekly or bi-weekly deposits into your checking account. This demonstrates your ability to repay the advance. U.S. citizenship. You must be a U.S. citizen or permanent resident to be eligible for a Klover Cash Advance. Employment information. Klover will require details about your employment, including your employer's name and contact information. Bank account activity. Klover may ask for access to view your bank account activity, including transaction history and spending habits. This helps them assess your financial health and determine if you qualify for an advance. Direct deposits. Having direct deposits set up for your regular income can increase your chances of approval for a Klover Cash Advance. How to apply for Klover Cash Advance? To apply for a Klover Cash Advance, follow these simple steps. Download the Klover app from your smartphone's app store. Create an account by providing your email address and creating a password. Link your checking account and debit card to the app to enable cash advance transactions. Complete the in-app registration process, which includes verifying your identity as a U.S. citizen and providing employment information. Connect your bank account activity to allow Klover to assess your financial health and determine your eligibility for a cash advance. Once you've registered and connected, you can request a cash advance directly from the app. Select the amount you need from the available options, up to $200, based on your eligibility and advance limits. Review the terms and conditions of the cash advance, including any applicable fees or repayment details. If you agree with the terms, confirm your request and wait for Klover to process it. After approval, you can expect the funds to be deposited into your linked bank account within 3 business days. Klover's fees and repayment terms. Let's talk about the fees and repayment terms associated with Klover cash advances. One of the great things about Klover is that there are no mandatory fees when it comes to getting a cash advance. That means you won't have to worry about any hidden costs eating into your funds. However, if you need your money in a hurry, they do offer express delivery for a fee starting at $2.99. When it comes time to repay the loan, Klover makes it easy by automatically deducting the amount from your linked bank account on your next payday. This takes away the hassle of manually repaying and ensures that you stay on track with your payments. It's important to note that while there are no late fees or penalties for missing a payment, failing to repay can affect your eligibility for future advances. If you're in need of a quick cash advance, Klover can be a viable option. With its user-friendly interface and data collection practices, it offers a convenient way to bridge your income gap. However, it's important to consider the eligibility requirements and limitations, such as small advance limits and longer funding timelines. Overall, Klover may be worth exploring for those comfortable with its terms and looking for a reliable solution for their financial needs.